Okay, so you just read about the Electoral College, right? And let me quickly explain what you read about because it might have been a little confusing. Basically, the old rich white men that made this whole system, they didn't really trust the American public to pick a president on their own. They didn't think they can do it. They weren't as educated as them, they weren't as rich as them, right? So they decided that, yeah, we're going to let the public vote. However, we are going to put a system in place so when the public votes, there's going to be a few people that will actually cast their ballot for president, right? So basically, all the citizens would vote for somebody in New Jersey, right? And the people that represented New Jersey would then make the choice for who the president would be. They didn't actually have to listen. And that still happens today. It happened in our last presidential election. People voted for Hillary Clinton in the state, and the representative, the Electoral College representative, said, "No, I'm not going to vote for Hillary Clinton." It also happened with Donald Trump. People voted for Donald Trump in the state, and some of the Electoral College representatives were like, "Nah, I know the people want Donald Trump, but I'm going to pick somebody else." So, what do you think about that?